Hello, excited you guys are here. Welcome. Are you guys excited to be here? Awesome, good, all right. Hi, I am Devin, and I, like many of you, am a content creator, an Amazon influencer, someone who loves food, so super excited that they're doing this and it'll have good food. Shirley Chisholm once said that when they don't offer you a seat at the table, bring a folding chair. And Amazon said, nah, no folding chairs needed. This is the creators table, and you can have as many seats as you like. So I'm excited for all of us to be here and have this opportunity. The Amazon Influencer Program, just in case you didn't know, is a place where content creators can come and build successful and rewarding businesses, promoting products and services that they already love. And for those of you who are new to being an Amazon influencer, the Amazon team hopes that tonight will be an opportunity for you to learn even more ways in which you can grow with the program. Amazon hosts events like these because they want to give you an opportunity to connect and build community, to be inspired with products and ideas, to be educated on the program, and also to thank you for your partnership. So again, thank you for being here. This night especially is really special because it's an opportunity to lift up Black voices. It's an opportunity to celebrate Black creators. And it's an opportunity for them to really support you and your journeys as creative entrepreneurs. So give yourselves a round of applause for even being here tonight. We created the Creators Table to really highlight content creators who are defining their own paths and building successful businesses and consistently setting the bar very, very, very high. Following the first event in Atlanta, for any of you those who are there, Amazon, woo woo, we got some people who are in Atlanta in the house. I like it, I like it. So following the success of that event, Amazon is especially excited to continue the series with its second iteration right here in New York City. Can I hear it for New York City, please? Thank you, thank you. Right here in New York City with this event at the Creators Table. Also, we have some additional representation here tonight that's really important, and that's actually the Black Business Accelerator team from Amazon. And so in case you didn't know, that team is a team that is dedicated to supporting sustainable growth for Black-owned businesses by targeting barriers to access, barriers to opportunity, and barriers to advancement. So give it up to Amazon and that team for making that happen. Also, you'll find some of the businesses who are benefiting from that program. They're highlighted in our product display, so make sure you check that out while you are here. All right, so I'm excited that you're here. I'm guessing you're excited that you're here as well. Creators are so important to Amazon, and just know that you guys are more than just creators. You guys probably inspire people in ways that you don't even know. When you're making that recommendation on your IG stories or your feed, it's not just you highlighting an Amazon product. It may very well be the thing that that follower of yours was looking for, or the thing that might make their day-to-day life just a little bit easier, or that thing that's that treat that they never thought that they would get for themselves, but you've inspired them. So your sort of power extends beyond just being a content creator. You are very, very, very special. And so I'm excited that we get to highlight you guys. I'm excited that you get to grow and build things with the Amazon Influencer Program as well, and that you get to discover even more products and services and continue to share that with your followers every day. So let's give a toast to you. Please raise your glass. Cheers to you for continuing to be an inspiration. I hope that you continue to inspire, you continue to have fun, and you continue to thrive in ways beyond your wildest dreams. Let's get the panel started. We have some wonderful creators here who've really been able to thrive with the Amazon Influencer Program, and so wanted to bring them in so that you guys get an opportunity to be inspired and hear different ways that they're really making it work for them. So please give it up for Nita Danielle and Jay Marie. Ladies. All right.
Hey,
hello, ladies.
Hey, girl.
All right, so excited that you're here. So for those who don't know, you guys. Why don't I'd love for you to share with everyone where you're from and what type of content you create. So we'll start with Jay.
Hey, you guys, my name is Jay Marie. I am originally from Houston, Texas, but I just moved, well, not just, it's been like a year and a half, to Stamford, Connecticut with my family. So, yeah, I basically create content mainly for Black women, hair care, so protective styles, braids, wigs, anything, hair growth, hair retention, anything like that. I am your girl. I'm your go-to. I really love creating also affordable styles that you can do at home by yourself. You don't have to go to a salon or anything like that. So that's me.
And we thank you for it. Nita Danielle, can you share with us a little bit about where you're from and the type of content that you create?
So my name is Nita, or known in these social media streets as Nita Danielle. I create mostly plus-size fashion, beauty, and lifestyle content. I'm also a mother to a little 5-year-old diva. So she makes an appearance here and there. She really thinks it's hers, and she tries to take over a little bit here and there. But I just encourage my plus-size beauties to live their best lives, to show up unapologetically. It doesn't matter what size you are. You can absolutely live and look as fabulous, as you feel. So, yeah.
Love that. Love that. Nita, can you tell us about your journey with the Amazon Influencer Program? Like, what made you get started and how has that been for you?
Well, I started creating content during the pandemic. I used to be a full-time hairstylist and makeup artist, so we were home bored, and I was like, let's talk about some other things, So fast forward, Amazon, most people already shop on Amazon anyway. It's easy, it's at your fingertips, simple return policies, it's delivered to your door. So it was pretty much a no-brainer just to give it a try because I was already an Amazon shopper, as most of us are. It doesn't matter where you are, in the States, out of the States, color, creed, gender, whatever. Everybody loves Amazon, so that's what made me give it a try. But my audience really just enjoys how easy and simple it is. Even on the back end as a creator, it's easy to create links. It's easy to put things on your Amazon storefront. It's all in one place. And like I said, I just think that it's very easy and simple. And as a content creator, I'm all about easy and simple. And it's easy for the audience as well.
For sure. And what about you, Jay? What inspired you to get started with the program, and how's that journey been for you?
I was already sharing. I was already sharing everything that I love. I feel like with Black women, we know, everyone wants to, here's the thing. We know what's bad when it comes to hair care, but we don't know the good stuff, And so that made me really jump on it. It also made me really jump on just sharing more because of the pandemic. Like Nita said, we're at home, we were at home more, and we still need to look good. When your hair is good, you feel good, you look good. Even though you were at home, you were still, feeling like yourself. My journey so far with Amazon has been nothing but amazing. It can really take you a lot more places than you think it can. And I would say more than anything, don't let that, you gotta just, I don't know the word. I'm struggling here. Anyways, my stuff has been really good. It's been a really great journey, you guys. I couldn't ask for a better team as far as the people who are supporting the support team as well. It's been good. I don't have any complaints at all.
And how have you been able to grow your followers by utilizing the Amazon Influencer Program?
Mainly just sharing what I love. And I also try not to, even though I love to share, hair and the latest and greatest of box braids and twists and things like that. I love to share more than that because I'm still a mom, I'm still a wife. So when it comes to little things around the house, I love to share with people, even with my 6-year-old, when it's books or things I think other people can relate to you with. Don't let that stop you. I don't get pigeonholed. That's one of the main things I would say.
And what about you, Nita? I would love to know, what was something you wish you knew when you were first starting out in the program? Share with the folks some of the wisdom now that you're sort of a senior member of the Amazon Influencer Program.
Not a senior. Oh. I'm still a young
just
tender.
wise. I mean, you're young, just wise now.
I would say just not to be afraid to share. I know in the beginning I feel like, oh, I shared my storefront yesterday, they saw it. Oh, I shared it 2 or 3 days ago, they saw it. No, they saw it and they need to see it again. And then also somebody didn't see it. You know, everyone doesn't see your story all the time. Everyone doesn't see whatever you posted. Everyone doesn't see it all the time. And I know there's a statistic that says that people need to see something so many times
7
before
times.
they buy into it.
Yeah, marketing, you need to see it 7 times.
Sometimes, there are people that share something often, and at the time you may not need it, but later on you're like, oh, I need this. Such and such shared that. Let me go see if she still has it. So I think when people get used to seeing you share something all of the time, even if they don't need it in that moment, when they do need it, they're like, oh, she's always sharing this on her Amazon storefront. Let me go to her stories, or let me go here or there and see if she still has it, because I remember she's always sharing it. So I think that was something that has helped me not to be afraid to share. Also, for most of us as content creators, we've already cultivated a community of people that are looking for us to share. They're looking for you to share. Go ahead and share it. So that helped me, just to not be afraid to share and keep sharing.
And Jay, what about you? What's something that you wish you knew when you first started in the Amazon Influencer Program?
That there are so many resources. There are, I think even now, I'm realizing, Nita literally just told me something about going live, and I hate going live, and she just kind of pointed out some tips for me. Whether it's the team out there that's ready to help you, and they're willing to help you. Like, you just gotta shoot emails or stuff. But it's not even just a team, it's other creators as well. I think that when I first started, I was just like, ugh. It's just like, I don't know what to do. I don't know where to go. But if you just, even on Instagram, even if you're just YouTubing, there's so many platforms. There's so many just resources, newsletters they always send. There's so much help out there to get you more money, okay?
I love that, and that's so true. And again, some of the team members are here tonight, so if you have questions, eat your food, and then go ask them. Be like, hey, what's up? This was so good. Did you like it? So I've been looking at my account. Feel free to ask. They are a wealth of knowledge, and you're here in the room with them. They might be mad at me for saying that, but still, just ask them. They're here. So I want to know, because we're about to kick off Black History Month, all right? What is one of your favorite, this is for both of you, Black-owned brands on Amazon that you like to share with your followers?
I love Pantura. It's a clothing brand. I love her things. And I also love Minted Beauty. They're on Amazon. I swear by their bronzer. They have amazing things, but the bronzer is just like, yeah, it's not going anywhere.
I really love, you guys, finding, this is gonna sound really odd, but finding hair gels and hair products for Black women that we don't know about. I think it's such a big thing that we know that, this person sucks and I don't like that or whatever. But I feel like we don't know a lot of the good stuff. So lock-in gel, neat braid gel. I love finding those things that we all finna use every single day, and they're small Black-owned businesses, and I love just pushing them. I get a little annoying with it, but I want them to succeed, you know what I mean? So that's probably my favorite products.
And before we go, final piece of advice from each of you about how to really thrive, how to make 2023 the best year yet by using your already built-in platforms with the Amazon Influencer Program.
I would say, you guys, honestly, I get that everyone has their niche. I get that everyone, I do hair and I do this and that. But don't be afraid to let you shine. Like I said before, I'm still a mom. I'm still a wife. So when I find good books for my son, I'll throw it out there. And honestly, stuff like that really builds more of your community, which builds more of your outreach as well. So don't be afraid to, stick to what, but also don't be afraid to kind of tap into other areas of Amazon as well and sharing that as well.
That's a really good point too, because none of us are one-dimensional. So even though you have your niche, don't let anyone put you in a box, including your followers. And since Amazon is a million-dimensional, because literally, you guys, I ordered a bulk order of Twizzlers. I'm not proud of it yesterday. I am happy it gets delivered tomorrow by 10 p.m. I don't know why I've been addicted to Twizzlers lately, but the fact that I can do that on Amazon and order clothing and my dog's toothpaste, they've got it all. So you do not want to see my order history. You don't have to put yourself in a box. And Amazon has made it easy that you, with your idea list and things like that, your followers know that you're human too. So even if you specialize in beauty or hair or style or whatever else, electronics, you can still totally be like, but by the way, here's some of my faves or things you wouldn't know that I would order
And
or
people
whatever
wanna
else.
See that.
Yeah.
They wanna
Absolutely.
See that you're human.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
People want to connect with you. They want that level of authenticity. And what about you, Nita Danielle? What's your final kind of piece of advice that you want to share with this amazing group of creators?
I would say because Amazon has so many, not just you won't get pigeonholed, you can utilize all of the things because they have home, skincare, fashion, beauty, all of the things, honey. What can you not find on Amazon? If they don't have it, they don't make it. But I also think they have so many avenues for you to make money. You can go live, like I was telling her, try live. You never know if you don't give it a try. You may find a different audience. I know when I was going live consistently, I didn't know that there were people really on there on Amazon Live. They're like, oh, I just found you here. I'm like, y'all was scrolling on live? I didn't know because, I just didn't know. And so that was very helpful to me, and I was telling her I wanted to start back going live. Like I said, in addition to utilizing your storefront, continue to push the storefront. And also, I think we said the Amazon team is amazing. If you don't know something, do not be afraid to ask. Don't feel like there's a stupid question, a dumb question. There's nothing that I have not asked, and even things I didn't ask. And they're like, hey, did you know we have this? I'm like, oh, no, I didn't know. So don't be afraid to ask. There are so many resources. They are so helpful. And like I said, I'm a part of quite a few influencer platforms, but Amazon is just by far the best. I just feel like it's a no-brainer. So just don't be afraid to try and ask for help if you need it.
It really is more than just a community, dare I say. It becomes like a bit of a family. And as you attend more of these events and start to see familiar faces, if you don't already feel like that, you will start to feel like that. And even working with the team, and I think that's something that's so unique to Amazon and the Amazon Influencer Program. And so to the team members who are here, really, though, thank you guys for putting in that effort and going above and beyond, because you certainly don't have to. And thank you, lovely ladies, for being here and sharing your stories and your tips as well. Can you guys give it up for Nita Danielle and Jay Marie?